the uphill climb.
Jolas, long three-pointer, had a chance, and a loose ball foul on the rebound.
On the other side of where James got the rebound, kay Locsin yata.
Yes. Locsin. For Locsin, that is 2 personal fouls. Team foul total for the Gins, 2. Milkmen have 4. Narito si Johnny. Johnny sees an opening, but it's blocked! David pulls up swiftly!
Lumaratsyada ang Ginebra, nag-all Filipino ang Alaska, pero 3 na lamang ang Ginebra rito with 2 minutes left here in the third quarter.
Jojo fakes right, goes left, goes right, and scores!
You see the captain of the team, yes. He's taking charge right here. Trying to keep his team in the thick of the fight.
And he knows how to spoil Ginebra's party. Marlo says, come and get me. There's a foul.
Yun ang nagagawa ni Hison at Tibaldo as a combination. They can shoot, they can drive, and they can get the ball to Marlo Aquino. Ito ba ito? All the way, looking for Marlo. Ramos is looking at him already. Nahuli na siya.
Lamang ang Ginebra ng 3, 1:32 to go. A 4-point lead. That 18-point lead of Alaska was way back at 43-25 at the 5:10 mark of the second period. First half ended just a 7-point lead for Alaska. Here come the Gins again. Tison umaatake sa kaliwa. James hinihingi sa kabilang panig. Tison, David, Marlo!
Yes! Malaki ang mismatch yan. Ang ganda ng pasahanan ng Ginebra. Nagkaroon na sila ng poise ngayon, no? Sean Chambers beginning to feel the pressure. They have won 2 games with him, but they've been, you know, very, very close matches. Ginebra is threatening to blow them out.
Jolas. And only
Marlo.
1 shot per trip for Alaska.
Si Marlo, pag rumipaw, parang walang kalaban.
Tangay lahat.
Kita mo, there's much more poise, no? Hindi na nagpipilit.
He's red hot. He has 28 points.
Ilan dito sa quarter na ito?
13.
8-point lead for Ginebra. 6 seconds game clock and shot clock differential. Wala pa sa penalty ang Ginebra San Miguel.
Shot clock down to 5. Johnny scoops it inside. Block! Call it!
Hindi ka makakatira kay Marlo ng ganyan-ganyan.
And the quarter draws to a close.
No. The shot clock stopped.
Oh, it's the shot clock.
The 24-second shot clock. There should be 5.7 seconds there.
Everybody's
slap up there. 5.7 yan.
Everybody was pointing. That's right, Dr. J.
That should be 5.7 for
Yung shot clock ang nag-elapse, Dr.
Yeah,
J.
kasi walang clear change of possession.
(75-67). Here's the second look.
Here, Marlo gonna change your shot block. Tama pa sa ulo niya. And at this point, the 24-second shot clock expires, so they'll make the adjustments dahil medyo napindot pa ng konti. 6.2.
There you have it on your screens.
6.2. Kung nagka-24 yun, it really stopped at 5.7. I saw that.
Okay.
So, plenty of time. They go to James. 2.3. Oh, bumalik ulit tayo sa 2.3. Talagang ito yung mangyayari yata ito. Tingnan natin itong huling tira.
Ginebra bench, all of them up on their feet.
Foul, I take 2 yan. Ginawakan ni Hawkins ang si James. That's 2 free throws because they're in the penalty. Sakit yun. Tignan natin. Ayun, hawak-hawak niya yung kanyang t-shirt. Di makatakbo.
Yes.
Nakita mo si Benny Cheng, ginamit lang yun para... Kasi he can give up the foul eh.
Yes.
Wala sa penalty. And at the same time, napapahinga si Locsin, who has had a great third quarter.
So ano nangyari ba sa kabila doon sa eksena yung kanina? Hindi 24-second violation.
Hindi, dahil nagkaroon Jojo has to throw up a prayer here, but
Yes.
way off the mark though.
We'll explain it, get back to that, and proceed to the fourth quarter after.
The PBA, partner natin sa kalusugan.
Theirs is tomorrow.
Well, we have a couple of substitutions. And as you see, Sean Chambers come back for Bong Hawkins. Tapos si Edward Wiener bumalik para kay Kevin Mas. So conspicuously absent is Volado, no? Wala siya ngayong
Yes,
araw,
nga
no?
pala, no?
And they need a big man like him, to be able to bang with the big bombers of Ginebra San Miguel, the big players.
10-point lead.
8 seconds on the shot clock. Medyo nauubos. Sabi ni James, okay, nauubos na. Ang bala sa inyo. Parang kitang-kita mo yun no? Kaya si Volado, hindi pa nagagamit. No? Baka may diferensya naman. Hindi natin napatanong na agawan pa ni...
As if the third quarter has not ended, Dr. J.
Talgo!
Oh, they are delighted. The Ginebra San Miguel fans. On the other hand, Alaska will utilize the timeout. The Wheel of Fortune has spun in a different direction.
Whiskey, hanip ang lasa at walang hangover. Sakto ang White Castle Whiskey.
Hindi pumasok ang free throw,
Pero-
subalit sa rebound, hindi natanganan mabuti. Ginebra pa rin. Chang! Yes!
Kahit sino nanggagaling na para sa Ginebra San Miguel, ito tinatawag na nadadala ng kanilang mga fans, no? At saka
Yes.
everybody's all pumped up. We have a loose ball foul on the other end called against Benny Cheng.
Alala ko tuloy yung Pilipino ko nung high school, yung simbuyo ng kanilang damdamin.
Ba, maganda yun. Mahirap na, phrase yun,
Oo, mahirap tandaan nung high school pero sinaalala ko bigla.
What a big turnaround. 17-point lead for Ginebra. 10 minutes and 43 seconds. They were down by 18 in the second quarter. Let's see what Chambers, the favorite shot niya, turning, spinning to his right and using the glass, no?
Now, Ginebra must be wary of the fact that this team can come back.
There's question about that. Just like the way they made their comeback.
Yes. Lastimosa at saka si Cheng nagigirian sa posisyon. Narito si Cheng. He feels he can take on Jolas. Yes!
Oh, boy! I've always liked him as a player, and he's beginning to show his form again. Some crucial moments here for Benny Cheng as he gives Noli Locsin some rest. But he should avoid the foul, against Chambers. Chambers is not in a position to score without the ball. But he's banging and holding him, which is not necessary. Tignan mo itong shot ni James. Oh, malapit na oras. Okay. Take care of you. That's a foul and a 3-point shot by Lastimosa, a 4-point play coming up. Alaska hanging in, they're hanging, and there's plenty of time in this ball game. 10 minutes and 3 seconds.
Tons of time indeed.
An extra shot for Jojo Lastimosa.
He's not guilty of his first personal. Here's that second look.
He came in. Possible 4-point play here for the captain.
.13-point lead. 10 minutes and 3 remaining.
Pressing defense there. Trapping. Baldavid escapes it. Some movement here on the strong side pero wala pa sa weak side.
And they're down to 10 seconds on their shot clock.
Ano sasabihin kay James yan? Pag sinasabi mo kay James yan, medyo naalala niya kung paano kung bibitawan ko na ito.
Yan ang nangyayari, Samantala narito si Chambers. 9.5 to go. 88-73.
Holding foul there.
I-reiterate lang natin at this point, Dr. J, ang importansya ng laro na ito. Alaska looking